If you're planning a business in Montana, forming an LLC is one of the smartest ways to protect yourself legally and make your business look more professional. In today's video, we are going to show you how to register an LLC in Montana even if you are a complete beginner. We will also help you decide whether to file it yourself or use a formation service like Northwest to make the entire process hassle-free. We will cover this in more detail later in the video. Before we begin our journey, let's first answer the question, what exactly is an LLC? An LLC, or limited liability company, is a business structure that combines the liability protection of a corporation with the flexibility and simplicity of a sole proprietorship or partnership. It's easy to manage and offers personal asset protection, which is why it's one of the most popular business structures in the United States. Now, the question is, why form an LLC in Montana? Well, for one, you have asset protection. That means your personal assets like your home or savings are protected if your business faces debts or legal issues, giving you a peace of mind that every entrepreneur needs. Of course, you have an affordable setup. Montana offers one of the lowest LLC filing fees in the country. It's a budget-friendly option for startups and small business. And of course, tax advantages. Montana has no sales tax, which can lead to serious savings, especially for businesses that sells products or high-value services. And of course, Montana offers an efficient filing process. It gives you quick approval times so you can get your business up and running without unnecessary delays. After that is choosing a name for your Montana LLC. Now you want to make sure that your LLC name should be unique, and you need to avoid restricted words like entity or corporation, partnership, bureau, government, or bank. And it should include limited liability company, LLC, or L.L.C. And of course, you want to make sure to check the Montana Secretary of State Business Search page to see the availability of your desired name. All you have to do is very simple, type in your business name, and then if no matching results appear, your name is available and good to go. But if you are not ready to file it yet, you can reserve the name for 120 days for a small fee. Once you've secured your LLC name, it's a good idea to secure a domain for your business right away. You can do this through hosting services like Hostinger or Namecheap. Feel free to use our affiliate links in the video description below to get started. Next is we need to choose a registered agent. Now, a registered agent is a person or maybe a company responsible for receiving all of the legal documents for your LLC. Now, they should have a physical street address in Montana, must be available during normal business hours. If you wanted to act as your own registered agent, you can do that provided you meet all the state legal requirements. But what we highly suggest is to hire a professional service like Northwest Registered Agent for privacy and convenience because they will handle all of the paperwork for you. Now it's time to officially register your LLC by filing the Articles of Organization online. All you have to do is very simple. Go to the Montana Secretary of State online filing portal and create an account, and then you need to select the LLC name, registered agent information, management type. It could be like a member manage or manager manage, principal business address, and the filing fee is $35. All right, so once submitted, approvals usually come through very quickly. Even though Montana doesn't require it, you should create an operating agreement. An operating agreement outlines the ownership percentage, member roles and responsibilities, profit and loss distribution, helping protect your LLC's liability status and avoid future disputes. Next is we need to get an EIN or employer identification number through the IRS website. Basically, it's like a social security number for your LLC. You need an EIN to open a business bank account, hire employees, file taxes, and it would just take a few minutes. All right, now that your Montana LLC is officially formed, let's talk about how to keep it compliant and in good standing. First, you need to file the annual report. Make sure you don't miss that opportunity. Of course, there is no publication requirement in Montana. Unlike some states, you are not required to publish or advertise your LLC formation in a newspaper, which saves you both time and extra costs. Now, in terms of the licenses and permits, make sure to check your city, county, or relevant state agencies to make sure you are fully covered. And of course, record keeping is key. Always maintain accurate business records and be sure to update the state promptly if there are any changes to keep your LLC running smoothly. Now, stay compliant, stay organized, and your Montana LLC will stay in good standing year after year. That's why traditional filing, while it's cost-effective, it really is time-consuming, full of paperwork, and hiring a registered agent, while it is also a good option, it can be very expensive. But what if I told you there is a better solution, like using a formation service called Northwest? Northwest Registered Agent is a company that provides business formation services in the US without hiring an attorney or a registered agent, because they guide you through all these steps to create corporations, nonprofits, especially LLC, and any other business entity in any state in the US, including Montana. Now, the good news is, if you haven't signed up with Northwest yet, you can use our affiliate link in the video description to get started. As you can see, there are just a few simple steps we need to complete to form an LLC right away. Don't worry, this process is super simple, and let's begin with the Order tab. This is essentially the summary of what you are purchasing from Northwest. It shows the service that you selected, which is going to be LLC formation, the state where you are forming your LLC, which is in Montana, and of course, the total cost before payment. So think of this as your checkout overview. The Company tab collects the basic details about your business, the LLC name, and if you want to send a copy of any legal notices to your attorney, and the business purpose, plus the physical address. Now, this information is used to create your LLC with the state. After that is the Management section. This is how you define your LLC. You can choose from a member manage, which means owners runs the business, or a manager manage, which means a manager runs the business for you. Now, as you may notice, you can put in the names of the members or managers here if you want. Or if you don't know the management tab, just click the question mark icon, because this helps you determine who has the authority to make the decisions for the LLC. And then these are going to be some of the add-on service that you wanted. If you have like a tax ID, if you wanted an S corporation, or a premium mail service under the Montana state. Okay, but if you want to handle them yourself, you can safely skip all these. And then the Account section is where you create your Northwest online dashboard. Provide your email address, confirm your login details, and a password, because once you've done that, your account lets you access state documents, receive compliance alerts, and view scanned mail and legal notices. Now, the last section is going to be the Payment tab, wherein it shows you the review of total cost, and of course, your credit or debit card details, and the final confirmation before submission. Because once paid, congratulations, Northwest files your LLC with the state. And basically, that's it on how to register an LLC in Montana, which is a straightforward and business-friendly process when you follow the right steps. With advantages like no general sales tax, flexible management options, and strong liability protection, Montana can be an excellent choice for many entrepreneurs. For as long as you stay compliant with the state filings and annual requirements, your Montana LLC can operate smoothly and grow with confidence. Whether you are starting a small local business or building a long-term venture, forming an LLC in Montana is a smart and reliable foundation for success. But if you want a hassle-free process with reliable support, Northwest makes it super simple. They handle the paperwork, act as your registered agent, and keep your personal information private. While you can file your LLC yourself through the Alabama Secretary of State, using a service like Northwest saves you time, avoids mistakes, and gives you peace of mind, especially if this is your first LLC. Now, if you are ready to start, check the link in the description to get your Alabama LLC registered with Northwest today. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.